Friends, have you ever thought of something as simple as asking for something what we need or what we want? And to get something, we don't even open our mouth and speak at times. Ask, ask. You got to ask, and then only you will get it. Asking is perhaps the world's most powerful and at the same time most neglected secret of happiness and success. History is full of examples where people have received incredible riches and astounding success and benefits simply by asking for them. Now the question arises, if it is so, then why don't we ask? The reason is we feel we might look needy, we might look foolish, we might look stupid. Above all, we don't want to experience rejection. We have the fear that the other person might say a no. Now, the sad part is before the other person says a no and rejects us, we reject ourselves and we don't even dare to ask. We accept the failure that it is not going to work for me. So, just remember, don't assume that you are going to get a no. Take a risk and ask for what you need and want. If they say no, you are no worse than from where you started. And if they say yes, you are a lot better. Now, let us come to the point how to ask for what you want. Number one, ask as if you expect that you will get it. Number two, ask that person who you feel is capable of giving it to you. And third, ask repeatedly. When that person's mood is better, then you can ask again. When you have the data that supports your claim, you can ask again. When the circumstances have changed, you can ask again. So, ask repeatedly. The author here gives an example when he was in a meeting with his colleagues and the MD of his company. He dared to ask him that what target should we achieve that we will get a holiday trip with you to an island. When he asked so, everybody, all his colleagues were stunned and they were shocked because that was completely out of their comfort zone to get up and ask such a question to their MD. And they were looking at the MD and at the author that now what is going to happen. The MD, he looked at everybody and he looked at the author, and after a while he gave them a target. He said, if you achieve this target, I will definitely take you for a trip. Within next 1 month, the team achieved the target and what they got was a holiday trip fully paid by the company. So here, the point that I am trying to make is, if the author won't have asked, would anybody have got that trip? They would have never got that opportunity. So, my dear friends, start asking today. Make a list of all those things that you want but you never ask. Secondly, in front of everything, please write what is stopping you, what fear is there in your mind that stops you. Third, what are you losing if you are not asking, if you are not daring to ask? And lastly, what all benefits will you get if you speak up, you ask for all those things that you have been avoiding since long? So that's all for today in this session. Wish you a best of luck, and I hope this session would have been of some help to you. If you feel so, kindly share it with your family and friends. So thanks for being with me till the end. Bye bye.